today is a first for us. We've lost a chicken because it flew out of the top of the chicken run. So we are going to attempt to trim chicken wings so they cannot fly. So stay tuned.
He's a chocolate lab with a white spot on his chest.
Cole, what are you doing?
About to get chicken.
Oh, Lord.
I'll see you later.
All right, we're out here and we're going in for our first chicken. So what we found on YouTube was
How it go chicken?
so you got these feathers. These are the primary, these long ones. And you trim those. Just need scissors.
Yeah, you need scissors.
That's all you need. Alright, here I go. Here goes nothing. First chicken done. We finished up the other 10 chickens and we feel really good knowing that they're all safe now. We had a lot of fun doing this and learned something new in the process.